Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new Vivo T4, a phone that's creating quite a buzz in the budget segment. Whether you're a gamer, a camera lover, or just looking for a solid all-rounder without breaking the bank, this might just be the phone for you. In this video, we'll check out the design, performance, camera, battery, and everything else you need to know before buying. So make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates every week.
Let's talk about one of the highlights of the Vivo T4, the display. You're getting a massive 6.77-inch AMOLED screen. So yeah, it's big, bright, and seriously crisp. It's a 120Hz refresh rate panel, which means scrolling and gaming feels super smooth and snappy. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or just casually browsing, the experience is top-notch. Video game TV, and get this, the local peak brightness hits a stunning 5000 nits. Sun face. That means even under direct sunlight, this screen remains easily viewable, no more squinting. Plus, with capacitive multi-touch support, it's ultra-responsive, perfect for mobile gamers and fast typers out there. Now let's move on to performance, and Vivo has stepped things up with the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset powering the T4. This is an 8-core processor built on an ultra-efficient 4nm process, which means you're getting a great mix of power and battery efficiency. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels effortless, and the overall experience is buttery smooth. Whether you're playing graphics-intensive games like BGMI or Genshin Impact, or just jumping between social media apps, the Vivo T4 holds its own without lag or heating issues.
Now let's take a look at the camera setup on the Vivo T4, and there's some impressive hardware here, especially for this price point. On the back, you're getting a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main sensor with OIS. That's optical image stabilization, so your photos are sharper and low-light shots come out clearer with less blur. The aperture is f1.8, which means it captures more light, making it a solid performer in both day and night photography. There's also a 2-megapixel secondary sensor, mostly for depth info, nothing too special, but it helps with portrait shots. On the front, you get a 32-megapixels HD selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture. Selfies come out detailed, and the skin tones look natural, perfect for your Instagram or Snapchat game.
Now coming to the battery, and Vivo didn't hold back here either. The T4 packs in a massive battery that easily gets you through a full day, even with heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media, you can expect reliable endurance without worrying about finding a charger midday. And when it's time to charge, no stress. The Vivo T4 supports fast charging, so you can top up the battery quickly and get back to what matters.